how to join eBay Partner Network. Today I'm going to show you how to join eBay Partner Network, which is pretty easy. So for that, we will go to the Google or any browser you want. I'm here using Google Chrome, and then I'm going to type in eBay Partner Network, and it will be something like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to click on this link, and it will take me to this website. And here what you have to do is you have to either sign up, or if you already have an email account, you can just log in. I'm just going to click on sign up. If I click on sign up, what it will do is it will tell me to sign in with eBay. If I have eBay account, I can sign in with my eBay account. If I don't have an eBay account, you can just create an eBay account and sign it with that. Now after signing it has also told us about all the steps that we need to follow. First of all, you need to select your specific affiliation niche. After selecting that, you can use these links for your social media videos and stuff. When someone buy the products, you will generate revenue from that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Hope you find this video helpful.